Hello children, welcome back to the next English class. This is your Nupur ma'am speaking here, and I'm back with some more about active and passive voice. There you know about the models, okay, and command sentences. Suppose you are getting some kinds of sentences where you should get some models, or some kind of sentences where you get some command, order, some request. If this kind of sentences if you are getting, then what you have to do, see, the examples are here. It is the active voice. Everyone should obey the laws of the country. You can get the subject. What you have to do first to do to make it passive, you should find out the subject. There it is a subject, everyone is a subject. There you can get a model, right? Should is a model, then obey is a verb, then it is a object, right? So what you have to do, nothing else, just you have to use a be, this word, and the past participle form of the main verb. This is a verb. So see the passive form I have done by myself. The laws of the country. The laws of the country means the object is subject here, right? The laws of the country. Then I am giving the model, should. Then I am giving an word, another word, be, should be. Then the main verb, obey, the past participle form of the main verb. These are the rules to make it into passive voice. Okay, then similar thing, you have to give a by this word, then subject would be object. I hope you have understood how you have to make it passive. See the next similar active voice. Ramesh could have avoided the accident if he had been careful. Similarly here, what is the subject? You have to choose a subject first. Ramesh is a subject, then you are getting one model, then have avoided, right? Could have this then avoided, then the accident means object if he had been careful, right? So sorry, so the object should be subject here. Similarly, you are giving the object here. The accident is the object, so you are taking the object as a subject. Then could have, the model, could, that already you are getting have. Then what you have to give, been. Why? Because already it is a participle form, a perfect form, sorry, not participle. This is a past participle form already avoided, means I am telling about this, so you can understand this is already a perfect form, could have. And not only that, but after have you have to give a been. Okay, could have been, sure. Then the past participle form of the verb, avoided. Okay, so the accident could have been. Then you are giving, you have to give a word by, then you are giving the subject as the object here. Then the rest of the part of the sentence, if he had been careful. Okay, so like this you have to make it passive voice. There are some examples, exercises in your book. Definitely I will discuss with you after that. But before that, see this section, command sentences. Active, go away. This you can understand. Go away. You are giving a command to anyone. So what you have to do? You can use a model here. Go away means you are told to go away, right? You are told to go away. So in passive voice, what you have to do? You should be gone. You should be gone. You can take a model here. Okay, like this you can made it. You can make it. Sorry. In active voice, another sentence. Do this work now. Do this work now. see, this work, here it is the object, so the object should be subject. This work should be done now. Now you can tell, ma'am, we can do it like giving let this word. Suppose see, I'm writing here, help the poor. This is, you can understand, help the poor. This is a command also, this is order also, and this is request also, right? Say help the poor. You can do it by let this word. In the beginning, you can give let this word. How? In the beginning of the sentence, you have to give a let. Then, similar, the object should be subject, the poor. Let the poor. Then you have to give a be, this word. Then the main verb means the third form, past participle form of the main verb, helped. This is the pattern. Help the poor, let the poor be helped. Okay. So this is one kind of thing. Another kind of thing you can do. Suppose you are getting this kind of sentence, means order or request or commands. Okay. Sometimes you can do it like little bit other also. Suppose I am giving a sentence to you by negative word. See. Suppose I am telling, please don't make a noise. This is a very familiar sentence to you, to all the students, right? In all the time you are making noises in your classroom and all the teachers are telling this kind of sentence, please don't make a noise, right? Okay, so what you have to do, if you don't do it by means if there is no other option, you can see this word please, means you can understand there is a request in this sentence, right? So by this time, sometimes commands or request or orders, these are expressed in the passive voice in another way. How? You can do this like this. You are requested. You can do like this also. Suppose you can understand in this sentence there is a request. Suppose you can understand in this sentence there is a word order. Suppose in this sentence you can understand there is a command. So what you have to do? You can start like this. You are requested. Suppose it is request, so you will write you are requested. Suppose there is order, you will write you are ordered. Suppose there is command, you are ordered, you are commanded. Like this you can write also. Okay. Then you have to give to. You are requested to. Okay. Then suppose I am telling, please give me a glass of water. Please give me a glass of water. What you have to do? You are requested to. Then the verb option, give me a glass of water. Similarly here you have to do, but see, here is a negative sentence not. When you will see a negative sentence, what you have to do? Nothing. You are requested not to. Okay, you are requested not to. Then the rest of the sentence you have to write, make a noise. Okay. So these are the pattern, these are the rules, and these are the ways to make it passive. Suppose I am telling, shut the door. And similar in the similar pattern you have to do. What you will do? Shut the door. Means someone is ordered. Someone is ordered. Someone is giving order to someone other, right? So that means shut the door. Suppose this sentence is telling someone, that means he or she is telling to me, right? Shut the door means you are So what you have to do, shut the door. You are here, you can understand there is an order. So you are ordered. Then what you have to do, then you have to give to this word. You are ordered to shut the door. Full stop. These are called imperative sentences. I hope you remember. Right, these are called imperative sentences. So sometimes you can make it by this way also. So I have shown you so many ways. Here you can use a model. Here you can start by let, this word. Okay. Then in my imperative sentence you can do like this also. Okay, you are requested, or you are commanded, or you are ordered. Okay, so these are the pattern. So please read these all patterns and note it down in your copy, and I will give you some practice work on this. Means where you are getting models, when you are getting this kind of sentence, how you will change it into passive voice. Okay, so thank you so much. See the video properly. If you have any problem, if you have any doubt anywhere to understand, please give a comment there. Okay, in the comment of course I will give you reply. Okay, so thank you so much. Till then, bye bye.